Wondering what to do this spring? Well, you've come to the right place. From flower viewing to spring cleaning, there's something for everyone. Stay with us as we count down 5 must-try activities this spring season. Starting at number 5, immerse yourself in the beauty of spring with flower viewing. As the world wakes from its winter slumber, botanical gardens, parks, and natural areas become a vibrant canvas of colors and fragrances. These enchanting locales, resplendent with the blooms of the season, offer a serene retreat for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Now let's talk about some of the iconic spring flowers that you might encounter. Cherry blossoms with their delicate pink petals are a sight to behold. They symbolize the transient nature of life, their brief bloom period a reminder of the fleeting beauty in the world. Then there are tulips, their striking colors and elegant form a classic symbol of spring. And of course daffodils, their bright yellow blossoms a cheerful herald of the warmer days to come. So why not plan a day out to appreciate these floral wonders? Embrace the beautiful colors of spring and let nature's artwork take your breath away. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Our channel is your go-to place for ideas, inspiration, and tips like these. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and the seasons with us. Thanks for subscribing. Now back to our countdown. At number 4, it's time to get moving with outdoor activities. As the weather warms up and the snow melts away, the great outdoors becomes our playground once again. So, why not dust off those walking shoes for a leisurely stroll in the park? Or perhaps you prefer something more invigorating like hiking or biking. It's the perfect time to take in the fresh spring air, listen to the birds chirping, and feel the sun on your face as you reconnect with nature. But the spring season isn't just about enjoying the outdoors. It's also the perfect time for a different kind of activity, one that might not be as invigorating but can be just as fulfilling: spring cleaning. As the saying goes, out with the old, in with the new, and there's no better time to embody this than during spring. Spring cleaning isn't just about tidying up your space, it's about taking the time to declutter, organize, and refresh your living space. Whether it's deep cleaning the carpets, sorting through your wardrobe, or even donating items you no longer need, it's a satisfying and productive way to welcome the new season. So this spring, take the opportunity to not only venture outside, but also to create a fresh, clean environment inside your home. Whether you're exploring outdoors or decluttering your home, spring is about renewal and growth. I seen script. Next up at number 3 and 2, we have attending local festivals and events, and trying your hand at gardening. Springtime is a riot of colors, not just in our gardens, but also in our community spaces. Often, our towns and cities come alive with a variety of outdoor festivities. Art fairs are a common sight, showcasing local talent and creativity. Local artists exhibit their works, and it's a fantastic opportunity to appreciate their craft and perhaps even bring a piece of it home. Food festivals are another springtime staple. With an array of local and international cuisines, they are a foodie's paradise. Farmers markets also spring up, offering fresh, organic produce right from the heart of our farming communities. These markets are not just places to shop. They also create a sense of community, forging connections between urban dwellers and the farming community. So, do check out the events happening in your area. Now, if you're looking to do something a bit quieter, why not try your hand at gardening? Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, anyone can be a gardener. Spring is the perfect time to plant flowers, herbs, or vegetables. It's not just about adding a touch of nature to your surroundings, but also about experiencing the joy of nurturing life. Watching your little seeds sprout into plants can be both therapeutic and rewarding. So this spring, get out there. Explore your community, savor your local cuisine, appreciate art, or grow a garden. There's something for everyone. From cultural experiences to nurturing life, spring offers a myriad of ways to enjoy and appreciate the season. And there you have it, a countdown of 5 fantastic things to welcome the spring season. Marvel at the breathtaking spectacle of blooming flowers, embrace the great outdoors, rejuvenate your living space with spring cleaning, immerse yourself in local festivals and events, and find solace in the art of gardening. Spring is a season brimming with life, vibrancy, and opportunities. No matter your preference, spring is a season full of opportunities. So get out there and make the most of it.